Do you count resume drops as like online through OCR or just
Yeah,
those intro
through
sessions?
through OCR.
Oh, well, then, I mean, with that in mind, then I probably did like 100, right?
Okay.
I went through and just like dropped my name anywhere.
Yep.
To me, I just wanted as many opportunities as possible, as many offers as possible.
Yeah.
I probably had about
Was it only
4 to
consulting though, or you bank dropping to banking everything?
No, I wasn't attracted to banking. So I don't want to say I didn't resume drop, but
Yeah.
mostly consulting firms and just even corporate finance roles, even though I knew I wasn't as interested, I just kind of wanted to get as many options in front of me as possible.
And I think that's smart, even if it's not for the offers, even if it's for the interview reps. I think it's super
That's
valuable.
what I was thinking. Yeah. So I just wanted as many interview reps as possible, meet as many people as possible, because
Cool.
similar to what we talk about later with the private equity process, you just got to get in front of as many people as possible.
Cool. Okay. So you're doing the drop. So say 100 first. How many first rounds do you think you had? Like 20 or 10?
Probably 15 to 20,
15
and
to 20.
then came back for about 5 full processes, 2 of which I was really interested in. One was my last firm. I
Mhm.
got an offer from another, and then kind of used that other offer to push my way into this current firm.